In the hills of eastern Nepal, Rudraksh, revered by Hindus and Buddhists alike, is transforming lives and generating millions of dollars for local farmers. But as demand from China rises, concerns are growing over the use of chemicals. Take a look.
Bhojpur district in eastern Nepal has earned a new identity, the country's Rudraksh capital. These sacred seeds are driving a booming international trade. Farmer and trader Ashok Karki, at his orchard, has spent more than 3 decades cultivating Rudraksh trees. Ashok says, the business has changed dramatically. A rapidly expanding Chinese market has transformed the economics of Rudraksh cultivation.
अब यो नेचुरल दाना अलिक काँडे काँडे दानाहरूलाई अलिक त्यसको जातहरूलाई हार्मोनल औषधि हान्ने हो फुलमै जस्तै फुलमा भन्दा नि कोपिलादेखि नै यसको 3-4 पटकको प्रोसेस हुन्छ त्यसलाई हेरेर हान्ने त्यो हानिसकेपछि चाहिँ दानाको बडी स्ट्रक्चर अलिक खदिलो बलियो भरिलो हेर्न राम्रो भएकोले गर्दा त्यो दानाहरू चाहिँ अत्यधिक 100% नै चाइना जान्छ.
The growing Chinese demand has also altered farming practices. According to traders, buyers increasingly favor larger, more visually attractive beads. To meet that demand, some farmers use plant growth regulators to enhance the appearance of the seeds. The mayor argues that plant growth regulators are commonly used in agriculture and can be safe when applied correctly. However, Karki warns that excessive use could damage both the trees and future harvests.
अब खास गरेर यो त्यो केमिकल्स भन्दा पनि फर्टिलाइजर हो. त्यो खास गरेर यहाँ मैले लगाएको चाहिँ साथीहरुले हेर्दाखेरि त्यो चाहिँ पीजीआर भन्छ, प्लान्ट ग्रोथ रेगुलेटर, जुन चाहिँ अरु फलफुलमा पनि लगाउन सकिन्छ र लगाइरहेका हुन्छन्. जस्तै तपाईको चाइनाबाट आउने स्याउ भन्नु, इन्डियाबाट आउने जति पनि फलफुल छन् त्यसमा पीजीआर को प्रयोग गरेको हुन्छ. फर्टिलाइजर, माइक्रोन्युट्रिएन्ट फर्टिलाइजर हो त्यो.
Rudraksh beads hold deep religious significance in Hindu tradition, where they are believed to be linked to the tears of Lord Shiva. For many Indian buyers, authenticity remains critical. The impact of such farming practices is reflected in the prices. Common 5-faced Rudraksh seeds that once sold for just a few rupees now fetch significantly higher rates. Rare multi-faced varieties can command hundreds of thousands, and in some cases millions, of Nepali rupees. Local officials estimate that Rudraksh exports generate roughly 100 crore rupees annually for the municipality.